Hi guys, so I am going to start prepping a bunch of cups. I have a ton of tattoos on the way, so I'm going to try and get some prep cups done. I don't really remember what I ordered for tattoos. I thought I had like one pack in my cart, and I think I had like 4 or 5 packages coming, so yeah. So I'm going to do some spray paint and power wash for some of these. I don't really have a plan per se. I'm just going to kind of jump in and start basing. So this is a 20-ounce skinny, and I think I'm going to do some purple and some hot pink on this one. I'm not going to do an ombre because I'm probably not going to be good at an ombre, but maybe I'll try one. But I'm just going to do some swirls. So that's purple, and this is actually like a fluorescent pink, so the sprayers on these are always weird. And I didn't bring any gloves out, so yeah. I only have room for 4 on arms on my drying rack that's out here, so I'm going to go back in with a little bit of purple. Thought I grabbed blue for a minute there. And just go back over. And I'm going to let this sit and dry for a couple minutes. It's like 80 out today all of a sudden, so it'll dry pretty quick, and I will be back. Alright, so I am ready to power wash this one, and I think I'm going to run my power wash through the stripes, like the edges, and wherever it overlaps, it overlaps. So, I think that should be good. I think I'm going to hit it with a little bit of the metallic silver first. Concentrate it in a couple areas. And then come in with the white for the rest of it. Because I'm going to need somewhat of a large area of white for the temporary tattoo to go over. So I think that's good. I've got a jug of water over here to rinse with. So it's rinsed, and that's what I have at this stage. I feel like I maybe don't have enough of a white area, so I'm going to let it dry a second and then come back in. Okay, so this is mostly dry. I'm going to get my power wash back, and I'm going to leave a bigger section here this time for the decal. So, hopefully I can figure out where that section was. I'm going to come over it with the white. And then I'm going to grab my silver. That's not silver. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse it again. Okay. So that gives me a little bit more of a space to put a decal, but it didn't really alter it too awfully much. So I will be back when it is time to put the temporary tattoo on. Okay, I went back and forth with myself on this tattoo for this cup a lot, but I kept coming back to it, so I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna put this little snake one on here. The colors just kept calling to me, so yeah, that's where I'm at. So I'm going to peel the top off, and I'm going to stick the tattoo on, and it's snug to this one top to bottom. I don't know why that already wrinkled on me. It'll be fine, right? I love everything about this tattoo except that stinking snake, but it'll be a sparkly, pretty snake by the time it's done. So I'm just putting my damp cloth on here, letting the backing get soaked to release the tattoo. Alright, smooth out any bubbles. And I'm going to slide the backing off. Oh my god. This is why I went with this one, snake or no snake. Because how cool is that? Look how the snake looks. It looks awesome. So I'm going to let this dry and get a coat of resin on it, but I love it. It's now a pink speckly snake, and the color's retained in all of the flowers, so yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. Okay, I am ready to get a coat of resin on this. So I have some Chaos Resin Liquidy Split Ultra UV mixed up. And I'm just going to get a coat on. And I'll get this leveled back off in a minute. This cup hasn't wanted to sit level at all today. I'm going to give it a pretty good coat, probably about 15 mLs. So, looks so pretty. Alright. So, that is coated, quick and easy. I'll be back for a close-up in a bit. Alright, I'm going to bring you in to see her. I just think this came out really cool. Again, I don't love snakes, but overall, the way the decal came out is very, very cool. You get the shimmer from the glitter through the flowers. And the snake just ended up looking really cool other than just a flat image. Let it come around one more time.